Confused about whether you can actually use Bybit in the USA? Let's cut through the crypto regulation fog. Okay, first things first, as of today, and due to current regulatory restrictions, Bybit's core trading services are officially unavailable to residents of the United States. You'll likely encounter this message directly on the Bybit website if you try to access it from a US IP address. Now, you might be thinking about workarounds like VPNs. While technically possible, using a VPN to access Bybit from the US is strongly discouraged. It violates Bybit's terms of service and could lead to account suspension or even permanent closure. Digging into Bybit's terms of service clearly outlines the prohibited jurisdictions and the consequences of non-compliance. It's crucial to understand and respect these terms. So, what are your options? The good news is there are several reputable and fully compliant cryptocurrency exchanges operating within the US. Platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini are all great alternatives. Before choosing an exchange, always do your own research. Look for platforms with robust security measures, strong regulatory compliance, and a user interface that you find easy to navigate. In conclusion, while Bybit isn't currently available in the US, numerous regulated alternatives offer a secure and compliant way to trade crypto. Stay informed, trade responsibly, and we'll keep you updated on any changes regarding Bybit's availability in the future. Check the description below for links to reliable US-based exchanges.